Welcome to DayTwo Academy. Let's learn ABC with actions. A for act. A for act. B for bowling. B for bowling. C for catch. C for catch. D for dance. D for dance. E for eat. E for eat. F for fall. F for fall. G for growl. G for growl. H for help. H for help. I for imitate. I for imitate. J for juggle. J for juggle. K for knock. K for knock. L for love. L for love. M for make. M for make. N for needle. N for needle. O for open. O for open. P for paint. P for paint. Q for question. Q for question. R for race. R for race. S for study. S for study. T for toss. T for toss. U for unwind. U for unwind. V for vanish. V for vanish. W for wait. W for wait. X for X-rayed. X for X-rayed. Y for yawn. Y for yawn. Z for zigzag. Z for zigzag.